back with another video. Finally. It's been way too long since my last video, but I'm back and I hope you enjoy this look. If you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to go in with this one. And we're going to blend it right below the brow. And then we're gonna go in a little darker. We're gonna take this shade and we're gonna go a little bit below that and just like shade it in, you know. Getting darker and just lower. Then we're gonna go even darker. I'm gonna take a smaller brush, go in with this darker brown. And kind of shape out where I want the black to go. Then just blend that out. I'm gonna go in with a flatter brush. And then we're gonna go almost black, but not all the way, it's still brown. So then we're gonna take our black, that's what we're using, right in the center. I recommend using, I don't know, it's this like sticker thing and you put it under your eye. Look at this. Feels interesting. I'm just gonna make that really dark. Oh, look at that. And then remove this. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to take an angled brush and then go into the nice palette, and I'm going to use this shimmer right here. I'm going to go in the corner. The inner corner. We're gonna take the Stila liquid eyeshadow and we're just gonna lay that right on top. I'm just gonna take this little angled brush and that first shade, and I'm gonna put that first shade right under here again. That's the shadow, and then you just apply some mascara. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me your time. I hope you enjoyed this look. Definitely not an everyday look, I know that. I just wanted to give you something. Like, I don't want to do these basic, like, you know, you could wear to the, like, church, you know, like, wear to school. Like, no, like, I wanted to give you like a nighttime feel. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this nighttime look. Happy summer, by the way. It's like halfway through summer. No, it's almost halfway through summer. It's like mid-July. Yeah, no school. I ain't doing my summer reading. I am spark noting that But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this nighttime eye look. And if you did, give it a like. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.